Hi there. Right, I thought I'd do this video. This is 3 years with a Cambridge kayak. So what we're going to do is have a quick look at everything on here and then we'll tell you all about it. 3 years on, we've got a broken plug on the drain plug. The seals still seal, that's rainwater because I left it out in the rain last night. Nobody else has thought but mine. We've got the centre hatch, again, all the seals are good, and the small hatch, seals are good on that. All of the fittings and fixtures work well, except for the springs on the on the rudder pedals. They've actually come off. I think they broke, to be honest with you. And one of the things I have done is on here I've just put some thread lock on the screws for the handles because they come undone quite frequently. Secondly, another thing is the seat. The seat's fine, but the paintwork is starting to show its age. Nothing that can't be done with a bit of touch up. But it's a good seat, still sound, still solid. The bags, which go into the holes in there, hatches I should say, they've broken, but they still work. They're still waterproof. This one's completely destroyed. It's broken in 2 or 3 places, so it doesn't hold its shape. And that one is the same, and that one's actually ripped. You can see the plastic coming out, and it is only plastic. If that was something more durable, like a bit of aluminium or a spring or something, that'd be great. The rear of the kayak, I've never actually used the rudder, but it tracks nicely. It's a beautiful kayak. 3 years old. It gets used, it gets abused, it gets dragged over all sorts of sand, rock, mud, and it works really well. Fishing wise, you've got 2 fishing holders at the back, and then there is one in the centre console here, an attachment where you can put a fishing holder on there as well. There's lots of D-rings. The only thing I've done to make it even better is add a anchor trolley which goes all the way along. There's your cleats there, and all the way to the front, and that just makes using a drogue or an anchor or tying off a buoy a lot easier. There you go. That is my Cambridge kayak. The next video I'm going to show you how to load it up onto this beastie, a bus. Thank you.